Wanna know how to make a square box in Java? In this video, we're just going to use a simple interesting loop on how you can just simply easily create a small square in Java. So it works in any compiler and it just requires a single nested loop and a number. So let's get straight to it. So what we have done is, we just print stars as or asterisk as square heads in this program. So we have an integer that we have named 5 at here, and 4 we have used it a for loop, and inside we have also a nested loop from I being the main loop and j being the nested one. So we just simply increase our size until and unless I is smaller than size or j is smaller than size. So once that is done, we just simply print it out, and that's it. You can just simply see, we can just run the code, and this is a simple asterisk square right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.